This is Viking Pump's Foundry in Cedar Falls, Iowa. For decades, the Viking Pump Foundry has been a pillar of our vertical integration capabilities, allowing for the nimble production of castings and parts to satisfy customer needs and support new product development. Located on Viking Road in the Cedar Falls Industrial Park, the 78,000 square foot facility is used to produce gray iron, carbon steel, 316 stainless steel, and 770 non-galling stainless steel. In a foundry, parts are cast by pouring molten metal into a hollow mold. To create a mold, core and mold technicians pull patterns for the various cast parts. Each pattern is a template for one side of one or more parts. Sand is compressed against the plate, and when the plate is removed, the shape of the part remains, and half of a mold is created. Experienced metallurgists test the molten metal and ensure that the proper temperature and chemistry are achieved. When ready, the pouring team will pour the furnace into a waiting foundry ladle. Impurities are gathered at the top and removed from the crucible, and a sample bar from the heat is poured. The molten metal is now ready to be poured into the various molds. Timing is critical to ensure that the temperature of the metal is maintained high enough to complete the required number of parts. Once cooled, the mold is broken and the rough casting is cleaned. Excess metal is cut away and recycled, and rough edges are ground smooth by the chip and grind team. Some materials, like stainless steel, require heat treatment. These parts are heated in an oven and then cooled in a water bath. Finished castings are then moved to the casting shed, which connects the foundry to Viking Pump's machine shop. This is the transition point between the foundry and machining, where Viking Pumps are assembled and shipped to distributors and customers all over the world. To learn more about the Viking Pump Foundry or any of Viking Pump's facilities, please visit our website at vikingpump.com.